The Government of India will present its budget for 2025-26 on 1st of Feb, which is this Saturday. The first full year budget of the NDA's government's third term comes against the backdrop of a slower domestic economic growth, a weakening currency, and a highly uncertain global environment, especially after Trump taking over the US presidency. Hello everyone, I am Siddharth Khemka, Head Retail Research at Motilal Oswal, and today we will discuss the key expectations from the budget. On the capital expenditure front, it is very likely now that the government will miss its FY25 capex target by about 1 lakh crore. Total spending is also anticipated to be lower than this year's target, while the total receipts are likely to meet the budget estimates. Therefore, the central government would most probably overachieve its fiscal deficit target this year, reaching 4.8% of GDP, which is lower than the 4.9% budgeted for FY25. Overall, we expect the government should continue on its path of fiscal consolidation and target a fiscal deficit of 4.5% of GDP in FY26. Despite that, we expect a 10 to 15% growth in capex for the next year. Some of the other expectations from the budget includes simplifying GST, removing double taxation on dividend income, investing in rural employment, agriculture, and micro enterprises. The government should also focus on manufacturing by focusing on making India as an exports hub through initiatives like Make in India as well as several PLI schemes. We expect the government to boost consumption by bringing few tax changes to support low-income individuals, employment schemes, and investment allowances. Overall, we expect the government to have a fine balance between growth and fiscal discipline. Some of the sectors that would be in focus from the budget perspective are infrastructure, capital goods, power, railways, defense, fertilizers, consumption, banking and finance. To ease your investing, we have identified 5 stocks and created a potential pre-budget basket with 80% allocation towards large cap, which will provide stability as well as growth in the current volatile environment. Go out and check this stock basket on the MO Advice section of the Research 360 app. Also, stay tuned on the MO Advice page for the stock recommendations to play the market movements on the budget day. The link for the MO Advice page is provided in the description. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.